Hello, my name is Vlog-KAleman, and this is a relational advice vlog regarding a communication issue. A person having trouble understanding the role of context, emotion, or listening in a relationship may result from a conversation in which these elements are lacking. Facial expressions and nonverbal cues contribute to or can lead to misunderstanding, conflicts, and communication breakdowns. And developing these aspects within any relationship is essential for developing trust, empathy, and mutual understanding at all levels. Before we get into the communication advice, I'd like to discuss the communication issue at hand. So let's consider this example of a woman who is 28 years old and at the height of her career. She's busy and she is someone who avoids discussing feelings or fails to acknowledge the other person's perspective in discussions. Her husband to be is a 33-year-old successful artist who is passionate about life and his relationship with her, and he has asked her to set 30 minutes aside a day to discuss what's going on in their lives. When he reminds her of this agreed upon time, she usually will scoff, make a snarky remark, or she says she's busy, she's tired, and she wants to move it to a later time or day. So when he reminds her of all of this, and this is going on in the relationship, a lack of emotional engagement can lead to the other party feeling unheard or unimportant, further straining the relationship and making it difficult to find common ground or work out disagreements constructively in the future. A sense of alienation and resentment can be created due to this, making it more difficult to rebuild trust and reconnect with others. So, in the communication advice part of this, for this issue, we'd have to activate listening. Active listening advice would be the focus on being present and attentive in the time allocated for active listening. A number of steps should be taken to demonstrate a genuine interest in a topic, including setting time aside from distractions, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. If you practice active listening regularly, you will foster understanding, rebuild trust, and strengthen the emotional connection between you and your partner. One way to accomplish emotional connection is by paraphrasing what the other person has said, maintaining facial expression and tone to ensure understanding, asking open-ended questions, to encourage deeper conversation, and expressing empathy towards them. As a result of these practices, trust can be rebuilt and a more supportive and emotionally engaged relationship can be created and sustained over time. When both parties demonstrate genuine care and understanding during a conflict, both parties will be able to work together to resolve the conflict and prevent any further miscommunications from occurring in the future. According to the worldwide view about active listening, it is a fundamental skill for effectively exchanging ideas. It involves hearing what is said and fully understanding, interpreting, then responding to it with nonverbal communication or facial expressions. Through this practice, empathy is fostered, relationships are strengthened, and clarity is ensured in both personal and professional interactions. Personality can create nonverbal expressions to others that are not meant to be interpreted as intended. This can lead to misunderstandings, especially in delicate situations. Being mindful of how one's personality influences nonverbal cues is essential to ensure the intended message is communicated clearly and effectively. Listening to your partner in a relationship is crucial for building trust and understanding. By actively listening, individuals can better grasp their partner's emotions and needs, which helps resolve conflicts and foster a supportive environment. This practice encourages open communication, allowing both parties to feel heard and valued. When your partner is asking you for your undivided attention and you have agreed to the set time aside, it is important to prioritize their requests and avoid distractions. This demonstrates respect and commitment, reinforcing the bond between partners. Ignoring or neglecting such moments can lead to feelings of neglect and erode trust over time. In conclusion, active listening is in relationships is the key idea to implement here. Active listening involves giving full attention, avoiding interruptions, and responding thoughtfully. It is a skill that can be developed through practice and patience. It requires being present in the moment, showing empathy, and validating the person's feelings. By consistently practicing active listening, couples can build a communication foundation for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Thank you so much for your time.